Do astronauts float because there's no gravity?
It's a common belief that astronauts float in space because there is no gravity. But is space truly a zero-gravity zone? Let's explore what really causes the floating effect we see on the International Space Station and whether gravity disappears once we leave Earth's surface.
Gravity is everywhere, even in space.
Gravity never completely goes away. The force of Earth's gravity still affects astronauts aboard the International Space Station. In fact, the station orbits just a few hundred kilometers above Earth, where gravity is only slightly weaker than it is on the surface.
The truth about microgravity.
Astronauts appear to float because they are in a state called microgravity. This happens because both the spacecraft and its occupants are falling toward Earth at the same speed, creating a continuous freefall. This freefall makes them seem weightless, but gravity is definitely still at work.
Why don't they fall back to Earth?
Orbiting is actually constant falling, sideways. The space station moves forward so fast that as it falls, the curve of its drop matches the curve of Earth below. That's why, instead of crashing down, it circles the planet, and everything inside floats relative to the station.
The myth busted.
Astronauts don't float because there's no gravity. They float because they're in continuous free fall around Earth. Gravity still keeps the space station in orbit and holds the moon, the planets, and everything in the universe together. The next time you see astronauts floating, you'll know the real science behind it.